Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the Pi symbol on your Google Docs mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the Pi symbol in Google Docs mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, just opening a document here. I'm just going to edit here. So first of all, you just need to know that there is no insert symbol on this Google Docs mobile, so you just need to use your keyboard. Here I just using my Google keyboard or Gboard. Just click on this option here and click on this particular option again. So you will see this Pi option here. You can just insert Pi. If you want to have a next different type of Pi's, you just to long press here. You can see the state, which is actually a different size of Pi and different type of Pi actually. So you can just insert the Pi symbol by using this option and then click on this A symbol, and you can just increase the size of the Pi, and you can just cut and copy paste wherever you want to place it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.